West Rand Satanists, known as the Krugersdorp Killers, will be back in the Johannesburg High Court today. Cecilia Steyn, Zak Valentine, Marcel Steyn have all been found guilty of 32 criminal counts between them, including murder, fraud, racketeering and robbery. The group was found guilty 2 months ago after consistently pleading not guilty to the crimes. The group called themselves the Electus per Deus, meaning chosen by God. Together they murdered 11 people between the years 2012 and 2013. Marcel's mother, former schoolteacher Marinda Steyn, is serving 11 life terms and 115 years in prison after pleading guilty. We now cross to our reporter, Sipa Kema, who's standing by. Sipa, very good morning to you. A really controversial case this is, raising a lot of shockwaves throughout the country. What can be expected?
Well, definitely, Mpo, as you said, a really shocking case going on here, as we know that the trial has begun, and today will be the continuation from yesterday. Now, just to give you a bit of highlights as to what exactly happened yesterday, a psychological report was read out in court yesterday, and the psychologist actually claimed that one of these so-called Krugersdorp Killers was actually acting out of fear. Because if you remember, Marcel Steyn was 14 years old when she committed these crimes together with her mother and her co-accused, Zak, as well as Cecilia Steyn. And also it emerged that they said that she was clinically fit, although there were some issues psychologically, but it wasn't to the extent of clinical psychologies. So today it is the continuation. We'll hear more about the case regarding Marcel Steyn, that the psychologist also put forward that she's fit to stand trial, and she thinks that after rehabilitation in prison, as well as some drugs, that she'll be able to be rehabilitated back into society.
Thank you so much, Sipa. Let's leave it there. Those proceedings set to get underway in a short bit. A really controversial case. This is looking at some disturbing matters. Of course, as soon as those proceedings get underway, we'll keep you posted.